To activate your Credit Karma card, start by logging into your Credit Karma account on the website or mobile app. If you have not already, create an account and link your new card to it. Once logged in, navigate to the card management section where you will find an option to activate your card. Click on this option and follow the prompts to enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues during the activation process. After submitting the card details, review and agree to the terms and conditions of the card. This step is crucial as it outlines the responsibilities and benefits associated with the card. Upon agreeing to the terms, you will be asked to create a PIN for your card. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. This PIN will be used for transactions and accessing card information. Once the PIN is created, your card will be activated and ready for use. You can verify the activation by checking the card status on your Credit Karma account or by attempting a small transaction. To ensure the security of your card, make sure to sign the back of the card and keep it in a safe place. Also, be aware of your credit limit and keep track of your transactions to avoid overspending. It is also important to note that Credit Karma offers various tools and features to help you manage your card and improve your credit score. Take advantage of these resources to get the most out of your card and maintain good financial health. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully activate your Credit Karma card and start enjoying its benefits. Remember to always use your card responsibly and monitor your account regularly to avoid any potential issues.